everybody, this is Szabina here, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we're gonna try tasty snacks from my lovely country, Hungary. As you see, I dressed up in my national team shirt. I have the flag behind me. All I'm missing is my two good friends. Lauren, all the way from Ireland, and Bruna, all the way from Brazil. Let's get started! So this is the first thing. Have a look.
Oh.
Try to read it though.
Pick sticks.
This one's not hard.
Snap.
What do you think it is?
I think it looks
Sausage.
like a salami.
That was good.
Approved?
Yeah.
Now I do. Come back. Thank you.
Don't go too far.
This is nice. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was gonna like it.
Keep it with the Brazilian. So the next one. Okay, so this is another salty snack.
Tom Kolibuza. Sos Palcika.
It's a Sos Palcika.
Wow.
What's the last name again?
Sos Palcika.
Sos Palcika.
Sos
Sos
Palcika.
Palcika.
Yeah.
This one is good, right?
I can imagine that it goes really well with beer.
I feel like I'd eat the whole packet though.
So these are salty sticks.
These are good.
So this is from my friend's wedding.
Wow.
And this is a homemade drink. It's called Palinka.
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 One more time. Let you guys open.
No,
it
I'm
and smell it.
scared. Oh.
Good.
To tell you, it's 40%.
Oh.
What? Okay.
It's not tequila.
Ready? Cheers. I can't breathe.
We're gonna be corona free.
It's really nice flavor, but strong.
In Brazil, we have something similar. It's called cachaça. Pinga.
It is really good, but it's just way too strong.
So this is the next. Read it out.
Yeah.
Pilota. Sounds like Italian. Pilota. Biscuits. Chocolate biscuits.
Biscuits and chocolate. No. This is really good. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. But these are good.
Good?
Thumbs up.
Approved?
Bring him more food, madam. I'm ready.
Next one.
What?
I cannot even read to see what it is. I think it's chocolate. It's nilik.
Itnilik
I'm almost there.
means opening here, yeah.
Fluent. It smells like banana.
Not keen on this. I think this has a weird aftertaste.
It's rum.
Yeah,
It's rum. So I only have two more things left and another shot.
Oh.
Bring a bit shot, madam.
So the next. So,
Balaton. Alien executive. Cheers.
okay, ready for the next?
Yes,
It's gonna be my personal favorite.
Thank you.
Pottyos.
Pottyos.
Turorudi.
I'm so fluent. It's really sweet.
Yeah. Brazilians will like everything that's very sweet, but this one is way too sweet.
It's really
Yeah.
sweet, right?
And I don't know how to describe how it tastes. It tastes like
Because-
vanilla.
Because the inner part is the cottage cheese with some sugar.
No way.
Yeah, but it's different cottage cheese that you would buy in the supermarket.
Yeah.
And it's just, the outer part is chocolate. We don't want that.
Thank you so much. You can finish them.
Thanks.
She didn't like, but she'd half.
Okay. I didn't. There's only two I didn't like. Oh, jeez.
And this is the last one. This is last just to wash it all off.
Futyolos.
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 Close.
What do you think it could be?
It looks like food coloring.
It's a flower.
Vodka.
It is similar to vodka, but it's made from, how you call this? Elderflower? So it's a shot, but this one is only, it's 30. The other one was
30.
40. The other one was 40.
30 in that little thing.
Yeah, that's why you just put a little, not too much.
It smells like hospital.
It smells like death in a bottle. No, it actually smells like fruity.
Whatever, let's try.
Do you know who I think needs to take a shot of this? The camera woman.
I'm not gonna have it all away. It's good to know you guys.
Yeah.
Now all in. Cheers.
Ooh.
Should I?
I want to get sick watching this.
I can't finish.
Yes.
Look at the tough one.
It is nice. This is really nice,
Ooh,
but
see my arm.
too early. It's too early for shots.
So what was the first snack we had? The sausage. How would you rate that one from 1 to 5?
I think salad 4. I really like that, but I think the packaging would turn me off a bit. It doesn't look as nice as it is.
Okay.
5 for me. My favorite.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
And then the salty sticks?
They were a 5 for me. Really enjoyed
3
them.
for me.
3. Okay. The Pilota Keksz.
5.
5.
Love them.
Okay. And then we had the sports bar.
That was a solid 2.
3.
And Balaton.
I really like that, so I'll give that 5.
4.
The Pottyos, the one with the dots.
I'd give that a 3.
1.
Homemade train, the big button.
That was strong. It was give that a 5. It was nice.
5.
And for the little one, just we have now.
5 as well.
5.
Yeah.
So I think if I want to please you guys, I'll get sausage and alcohol.
Alcohol,
Yeah.
yes, yes, exactly.
Thank you for watching. You know what to do.
Hit the like button.
Subscribe.
And see you in the next one. Thank you guys.